your father here. Get the fuck out of my room.